Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and here I am with DJI's latest production, the FPV drone. FPV stands for first person view. Now, what does first person view means? Imagine you're sitting in an aeroplane, and aeroplane has a small window in front of it. You're sitting in a cockpit and there's a small window in front of it, and only you can see is the way the aeroplane is flying towards. So you can go this way, so you can see only this way, and then it goes that way, you can see only that way. So that's what is FPV. Just received it, so I thought let's do the opening box ceremony and let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now that we have opened the box, now let's go through my first impression of what I think of this. First of all, the propellers, 3-blade propellers, non-foldable. If we compare it with our most favorite Mavic 2 Pro, we see that the propellers are 2 blades and they're foldable, which brings me to the point that it's not at all foldable drone. So you cannot, like Mavic Pro, you cannot fold the legs or fold the propellers. Therefore, it will be a bit of an ask to carry all of this in a separate case, which brings me to the point that DJI does not provide a case that is included in this combo that will be used for going around. The goggles, they look awesome. I mean, when you put them on, it looks like that you're in some futuristic movie. So the looks wise, they're pretty tacky and awesome, I'd say. The controller has a very good feel to it. The build is nice. The grip is good. The weight is nice, which brings to the point that this beast of a drone is actually quite heavy compared to Mavic 2 Pro. This is 800 grams and this is about 600 grams. I'm not sure. So, but this is, given its size, is quite compact and weighty, I'd say. The battery compartment is slightly different than the normal Mavic drones. So you slide this in here and then you have to attach this battery connector, and now they're married to each other and they shall live happily ever after. I think not, because this thing does run out in 20 minutes, which is actually the longest any FPV drone can give at the moment. The camera, they say 4K 60p, which for FPV drone is marvelous, superior. And the marriage of two, the superior camera and the speed, 0 to 100 kilometers in 2 seconds. Tell me if I'm wrong. The fastest car does it in 4 seconds, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. Twice faster than the fastest car at the moment on the road. Beast, I'll tell you that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching, and we shall make an in-depth flight video of this little monster and we shall present it to you soon, possibly in a couple of days. Stay tuned.